So remember? Yeah? And Tina helps you? Yeah, what do you want to take?
My
name? Yeah? Very good. Now you're not tensed in the body, you sense that? And you can make Marco also. Yeah? And see if you can make the finger quite hard. Yeah. See.
Okay.
Yeah. And maybe just a little mail for someone every day. Or
Yeah.
2 tiny ones.
Yeah, that's here.
Yeah. But you need someone to help you so that you don't push your body. You can send a mail for Tina every day.
Okay.
Yeah. Very good. Then she can close her eyes while you're writing to her, so she won't know.